Okay, so we're in Shibuya, overlooking the Shibuya Scramble and the Hachiko area, where folks come to meet their friends. It's madness down there. Absolute madness. Let's go. Yeah, and here, focus, 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 focus. And here we are. This place is always busy. It's like a Mormon convention behind me. I think it is actually. Whenever you see the guys in white long sleeve shirts in Tokyo, these are Mormons. No problem. Nice guys and nice girls. We're gonna cross the scramble and have a little walk. Hang on. Here we go. So, you all know this is so famous. It's always big, crowded, and busy. You know? But the best part is, if you're like about 5 in the morning, it's not as crowded. And everyone's having a good time, you know? So once you cross, there's restaurants, shopping, bars, the whole thing. Let's have a look. Let's see what's going on. And let's try not to bump into anyone, because that's not cool. Busy, busy, busy. What's up, baby? She's cute. She has wild hair, unlike me. But anyway, back to Shibuya. Young person's place, but always crowded. Plenty of bars, plenty of restaurants, cafes, coffee shops, creperies, fashionable stores, big ones, small ones, mid-price, low price, high price. It's all here in Shibuya. Ooh. Mm-hmm. And there's even, hang on to your hat, Burger King. They returned to Japan a few years ago. They came, they left, and they came back. So, you know, those things happen, yeah? So let's take a little walk. Just walking around. Vending machines are everywhere. Everywhere. Some restaurants, they have like a menu thing outside. Put your money in, press the button, take it inside, get your meal. It's called a, what do you call it? A shoken. Meal and ticket. Meal ticket, buy it here, you're on your way. You like karaoke, you want to sing? This is the place. Get your own room with your friends, order some drinks, snacks. They usually have a very large selection, a couple thousand songs. Many of the bigger places will have English, so if you want to sing some English songs, you know, you go in, you pay your money, you sing, sing, sing. Game centers still go on here. See inside. Still popular. Wherever you go in Tokyo, there's always something going on. Have a, I guess a DJ thing behind me. Hang on. There she is. I don't know who she is, but she's playing something. Uniqlo. Uniqlo is I think it's one of the biggest retailers in Japan or in the world or something like that. They sell low price clothing, which is a pretty good quality. So I'm saying, and decent quality, I guess. But they've opened up quite a bit of shows, quite a bit of locations. But the funny story is, now what I heard was the name Uniqlo was actually supposed to be unique clothing or unique clothes. But the person who filled out the document spelled it Uniqlo. And the rest, as they say, is history. And there's some big bargain sale going on over here. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Hang on. Oh, the battery is dying. Let's see how far we can get. Or how will it turn me off or cut me off while I'm talking. Oh, check it out. It's like a beer garden over here. Where? It's like a beer garden over there. You know, get some beer, sausages, you know. Kirin Ichibana Brewer's Spirit. Kirin Ichibana Garden Brewer's Spirit. I guess they get some beer, sausages with your friends, hang out, relax, enjoy, and all that good stuff. Whoa, focus. Man. Focus. Well, Starbucks. This is everywhere. I think we went the wrong way. I think we have to go back this way. That way. Saw that. That was going back to where we came from. 15-minute mark. So anyway. One thing about places like Shibuya, Akihabara, in Tokyo is that you will meet a cast of characters, yourself included. Fashion, you know, let me rephrase that. The fashion rules in Tokyo are pretty lax, okay? You can be very, very fashionable, wearing the best thing from the high streets, shops, or just throwing on anything. I remember once, a friend of mine, I met her at a station, at the train station. She says, "Oh, Ken, I'm so sorry, you know, the way I'm dressed today." I said, "Hey, don't worry, it's Tokyo." And as soon as I said it, this person walking by wearing, I don't remember what it was, but it was really interesting. And we looked at each other and we just laughed. That's Tokyo. You can see pretty much anything. From somebody wearing some, you know, high couture, I guess that's the right word for it. To somebody wearing, like, oh man, dude, what are you doing? But why not, yeah? Anyway, we're gonna go, it's getting late, so I think we're gonna call it a day, I think. But, you know, there's always those PSs. But it's like 5:30-ish, I guess. So other cafes are opening up and people are having their meals. Oh, excuse me. And I'm thinking about getting something, but I'm not sure what. Another wrong turn, as usual. Okay, heading back down to where we were earlier because I think I'm done. You know what? You know Crocs, those shoes. I didn't know they were sponsoring some of the Star Wars characters. You know? I'm very surprised, but sponsor is sponsor, as they say. Ramen shop? Oh, Shibuya, why are you so busy? Man. But it's a popular area. You know, people come down here from miles around. Oh, it's almost like a bright light, and all the young people are like little moths. Anyway, so I want to go Shibuya. Haha, cute kids. You know, but you come, you have fun, and you relax. Hey, Taco Bell? Burrito? Taco? Burrito? Taco? Let's go. So Taco Bell recently came to Japan, and I believe the first shop to open up in Shibuya. And if we see that purple bell, ta-da! Taco Bell, wait a minute. There it is, Taco Bell. I haven't tried it. You know, when I first came by here, when they first opened, it was huge line, so I didn't go inside, but I was never really a fan of Taco Bell, so their being here wasn't really that big of a thrill for me. Ooh. So, but some folks like it. Now, let's talk fast food. I know a lot of folks, oh, shisha. You like shisha? Or hookah? Shisha. Hookah. You like Wagyu beef? Yummy, 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 yum. Let's talk fast food. So a lot of people, well, I shouldn't say that a lot of people. Every now and then I hear someone say, hey, what are these fast food places doing here in a different country? You know, but there is a demand for different styles of food in different countries. Even if you visit like Japan and you see a McDonald's or Burger King or a Tony Roma's or something, you still have so many other Japanese style restaurants to eat at. You could skip, Western food. You can skip Western food and never even touch it again because, the number of local restaurants compared to the overseas restaurants must be outnumbered. Must outnumber them, multiples to one. So don't complain. But remember, if you get the burger, when you have that hamburger craving, BK or Mickey D's is there. So we're in Shibuya still, and Shibuya is also known for its fashions and so on. But one more thing, they're known for their love hotels. These are places where couples can go in, spend some money, spend some hours together, and then move along. They're very popular, so I've heard. And they come in various grades and quality. Now, I heard stories of, bathtub jacuzzis, what do you call it, like a Nintendo game, people sing karaoke and so on, along with the other things. But they serve a purpose, and they are extremely popular. And rumor has it that there's ever like when there was like a big snowstorm in Tokyo once, so everything got shut down. When the morning came, people were just, streaming out of love hotels to go home. That's what I heard. Okay, so, but as I always say, don't quote me on that, because these are stories I just heard, and maybe they cannot be confirmed or denied. But Tokyo, gotta love it. Looks like we ran to a small omikoshi. I think omikoshi.